So let's look at how we set up OpenAI API key and then connect that to n8n. The developer platform for OpenAI or ChatGPT is a little bit different to the usual ChatGPT that you can talk to online. If you don't already, you will need to sign up for an OpenAI account. And then if you go to platform.openai.com, or if you do a Google search for OpenAI API, you'll come in on this screen here. And all we need to do is, we see in the top right there, it says dashboard. Click on dashboard, navigate over to where it says API keys, click on there. On that page at the top it says create new secret key, and this is the screen where all your API keys will be displayed. So when you click on create, we've got create a new secret key pop-up box come up, and then you can give it a name and then click create secret key. Your API key will then pop up on the screen and you can copy it from there. And just a word of caution, you need to protect your API keys and treat it like a password. If someone gets your key, then they can access your account and use your credits. And you will need some credits. For the API access to ChatGPT works a little bit differently to the normal subscription. Prepay for API credits. And if you want to do that, if you just take a look at the top, you click on your profile, billing, and then add to credit balance and top up. Now to connect that account into n8n, you can see the ChatGPT icon here in a couple of places on the screen. The red cross is indicating that this hasn't been connected to a credential. So what we need to do is double click on that, or you could do the same on this one. You need to click credential to connect with, and then create new credential. Copy and paste your API key in here. If you want to use different API keys for perhaps maybe different workflows, you want to measure the cost of different things, you can have multiple credentials, and you can just change the name on those, put your API key in, and then that's it. You've successfully created an API key, topped up with credits, and connected that credential with n8n.